This is James Holder for IFL TV. I'm in Reading today for the Henderson Sports Promotion Show in conjunction with Saniga Promotions. Fighting on the bill, I've got undefeated Temuka Mucha. Alright, Temuka?
Alright, how's it going, man? You good?
I'm good, I'm good.
Yeah.
Very tough performance for you, tough fight for you tonight in Maxwell.
Yeah.
Very durable guy who just happens to look like your brother.
Yeah, definitely. You know, it was a difficult fight. I went out there and I had to kind of like accept myself and dominate the fight. But you know what? Yeah, what was scary was the guy looked so much like me. I thought the ref was gonna get confused at certain moments. You know, because a lot of people have been thinking there. Because someone said to me they see him box on Box Nation, and then they thought, oh, I'd changed my name or something. I was like, nah, that's not even me. You know. Yeah. So it was a good fight today. It was my first 8-rounder on my first hometown show, and I was excited about that. Yeah.
You must be pleased to have an 8-rounder against Maxwell and come out of it as you are.
Yeah.
He's quite a hard hitter, Maxwell. He's not a journeyman.
Yeah.
He's just, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah, definitely. You know, I feel pleased with that because I was able to win all 8 rounds, and I didn't think there was any moment in the fight where I felt I was out of control. But you could see how tough he was by the way he was coming on strong in the middle of the fight, in the mid rounds of the fight. And I thought to myself, you know, I couldn't let him build up on that confidence, so I had to try and take it away from him. And then once I took it out, once I took his confidence away, I was able to kind of dominate again. But he still kept coming, he still kept throwing, and he still made it a tough fight.
You must be pleased. He landed a few shots. You must be pleased that questions have been asked about your chin. You feel comfortable. You took the shots. You rolled them well.
Yeah, definitely. You know, I thought at certain times he was riding the shots with the elbow in there, a couple of old school tactics. So I felt in there, but my chin was able to stand up, and I think yeah, definitely that answers all questions about my chin. I will be able to stand up to any fighter. You know. Yeah.
Maxwell, great learning curve fight for yourself.
Yeah.
When can we anticipate seeing you in action again, Temuka?
There's talks of fighting out again in April on an international fight out of the country, and hopefully maybe on the Selby undercard. You know, if things go according to plan, because I hear Selby will be boxing again in May. May 4th or May 27th. The date hasn't been set yet, so hopefully I'll be on the undercard of that in Wales, Cardiff again.
That would be a good build for you.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
I know obviously the Sanigas look after you, they look after Selby, so do you spend a lot of time with Selby? Is he helpful with your learning, your progression?
Yeah, me and Selby, you know, I learned a lot from him. Last time we were together in Scotland with Ricky Burns as well, and I was with him, and I was with him for the whole week, and I was able to learn so much from him. I know, like some of the tactics I was using in there were some of his tactics, the move around, the slip, and some of the things that I learned from Selby, and using the jab a lot while if a guy keeps coming forward at you. So he gives me a lot of advice, and he tells me how he's come up through to get where he is, and I'm just learning off him at the moment. Yeah.
I'm thinking like he's come from small hall to arena, you know.
If
anyone is good to give advice, it's going to be Lee Selby, isn't it?
Definitely. And last time they sold out the whole show. To think a guy that was struggling, I heard Chris told me at one point, you know, Selby was struggling to sell tickets like any other boxer, and now he's selling out arenas. You know, it's amazing. I can't believe it. So I just, you know, I just feel I can relate to him, and he's coming away through the same route that I've come through. Yeah.
Great way of putting it. Listen, I want to thank you for giving IFL TV a bit of time.
Thank you as well.
Hopefully in your next fight you've got someone that the judges can tell who's not you. You're not fighting a clone of yourself. It's kind of surreal, I'm not going to lie, but well done for getting through it. And I said thank you for giving me a bit of time today.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you as well, man.